Women are wired to chase men who carry just a few rare habits. These habits have nothing to do with height, money, or looks. They're small behaviors that flip a switch in her mind and make her feel like she has to win you over. Let's break them down. Number 1. Lead without permission. Average men wait for approval. They move like they're asking for access to their own life. High-value men lead. They decide, they act, they move with certainty. When you say, "Let's go here," you create security. And security is the emotion women chase. Number 2. Comfort in silence. Most guys panic when the conversation fades. They start oversharing, cracking forced jokes, or talking themselves into the friend zone. Magnetic men? They're calm. They know silence builds tension. It's not awkward, it's powerful. Because in silence, your presence speaks louder than your words. Number 3. Walk with intent. Your walk reveals your mindset. A man who drags his feet or slouches looks like life defeated him. A man who moves with upright posture, steady pace, and focus radiates purpose. Direction is attractive, because when she sees a man who knows where he's going, she subconsciously wants to follow. Number 4. Stop over-explaining. When you're busy or unavailable, don't send essays. Don't apologize for having a life. High-value men keep it simple. That's it. No excuses, no guilt. Because mystery breeds interest. When she doesn't know everything about your time, she starts wanting more of it. Number 5. Have a mission bigger than her. This is the difference between the man who's chased and the man who does the chasing. If she's your entire purpose, she'll lose interest. Because she doesn't want to be your mission. She wants to join you on one. A man who's already building something, a career, a vision, a future, automatically becomes the prize. Women don't chase men who orbit them. They chase men who are already moving, because motion is masculine. Number 6. Respect your appearance. You don't need luxury brands to look attractive. You need discipline, a clean haircut, well-fitted clothes, fresh scent, groomed nails. When you look like you respect yourself, women take note, because self-respect is contagious. She feels proud to be seen with you and starts competing for your attention before someone else gets it. So ask yourself, which of these habits do you already live by? And which one starts today? Remember, attraction isn't about chasing. It's about becoming the man who never has to. If this video gave you value, hit subscribe